If you've been paying attention, you'll know that the debate over net neutrality should heat up today. It's the FCC's deadline for public comments on its proposed rules, which open internet advocates say don't go far enough and could change the rules of the online game. What does this all mean? Deadline's David Lieberman explains.
Today's the deadline for public comment at the FCC over its proposed net neutrality rules. Ordinarily not a big deal, but in this case it may be. A lot of people at the Commission will be looking to see how concerned the public is about the matter, and also how far they want the FCC to go. Remember that when the FCC adopted its rules, it wanted to use existing regulations to try to require internet providers to provide an open internet. The problem is that the law enables them still to create special fast lanes for particular content providers. People who criticized the FCC said that it should have gone farther and reclassified the internet as a kind of public utility. The cable companies and phone companies would fight that tooth and nail. That's why the FCC will be looking to see how many people comment and how far they want the Commission to go. Remember that last month, John Oliver created quite a stir in his HBO program when he had a long segment looking at net neutrality and urging people to respond.
Turn on caps lock and fly, my pretties!
The FCC said that the number of comments they got actually spiked after that. As of yesterday, they had about 700,000. That's about half as many as they received for the Janet Jackson wardrobe malfunction. But we'll see what happens after the end of today.
Keep checking back for more video news from the Deadline team. I'm Dominic Patton for Deadline Hollywood.